So how to make $100 per day on YouTube without making any videos or have any subscribers. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I do videos almost every day about helping you become great. Alright, I'm gonna hop into my computer right now and show you. Make sure you watch the video up till the end so you understand the whole process. I want you to understand this. Right here on the left, a user is watching a video about luxury cars. You know, he likes these fast cars or these type of cars that are expensive, right? So he watches the YouTuber, you know, and YouTubers, you know, normally they send them to a product that helps them get money to buy a luxury car. The buyer gets the desired outcome, which is they can now buy a car that they are looking on this YouTube channel. Now, I want you to understand this really well because this is like the foundation. You need to really understand this. And you know, there's loads of YouTubers out there that are doing this, that are making money online with their YouTube channel because they have a big following. There are also loads of YouTubers out there that have big YouTube channels and they don't know how to make money with their YouTube channel, right? They just don't know. And you know, these guys have 10K subscribers, 100K subscribers, 1 million subscribers, even 2 million subscribers. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be right here. We're gonna be the connector. We being the marketer. What we're gonna do, the YouTube user is watching a video to these guys that we're gonna target, that they are eager to make money online, but they don't know how. That's when you come in, the connector. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get in touch with these YouTubers, with these influencers, and you're gonna tell them, hey, how much do you want to promote my link? And they'll give you a price. You wanna do this. Now let me go to the next page and explain to you. So the connector, that's you, right? The very first thing you wanna do is step number one is you got to get a product to promote and you gotta learn how to convert. Because if you're just thinking to, you know, grab a product and promote into somebody else's YouTube channel, my friend, it just doesn't work. You have to learn how, you know, what to promote and where to grab a good product. So here we go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick an offer from big launches that are happening at moonchi.com. This is the website. So what this website does is it tells us the big and famous launches that are happening on sites like JVZoo, on sites like ClickBank. And the reason we're going to go ahead and promote these products is because we are promoting something that is going to be launched. And so the conversion rate of this is much higher. Therefore, this strategy altogether works amazing. And also with these products, you can make, you know, up to $1,000 or even more for one sale, and how to promote so it converts. And you need to learn how to do this. You know, I have a video I will leave in the comments below called how to convert up to 20% with the value series. So that's step number one. You need to have the product. Now, as we do this method, which we're gonna contact influencers, right? This is where comes step two, which is you wanna find influencers that are congruent with your offer. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you here. That's very important. That's what really matters, right? You want to offer them a solution based on the YouTube channel. So you want to find these channels. By the way, there's tons of kinds of these channels on the internet. Let me give you some examples here. So let's search here, for example, fast cars. All right, so you can see top 10 fastest cars in the world, over 1 million views. So let's go ahead and click this video and see. So here we go. This video right here, over 1 million views. This YouTube channel has 39K subscribers. And let's look at the description right here. Boom, boom, no copywriting, boom, boom, no affiliate link whatsoever on the comments. Even on the videos, he might not be talking about any product or any link. So this is a great example right here. Like, this YouTuber is not promoting anything. He's just promoting his social medias, right? But not promoting any product. So if you offer him, you know, 50 bucks, $100 to be in this video, to put a link in this video, right? He will gladly do that. Now, so you want to find many YouTube channels related to whatever you're promoting. And this is just one example, but there are thousands and thousands of YouTube channels out there that have a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and a lot of people going to their videos, but don't know how to monetize, and that's when you come in. So step number 3 is connect with them to get them to promote your link and pay them, right? Of course, you want to connect with as a few of them and relate it to your niche, right? And step number 4 is you need to custom track the link to measure the clicks. So I have a video in the comments below called Learning What Works with Link Tracking Step by Step. You can watch that to track that. And step number 5 is you got to go through some dirt to find the gems. So don't think that you're just gonna find the first person and you're gonna make loads of money from that person. No, you have to, you know, test a few until you find the ones that work really well. Once you find somebody that their audience really converts with your offer, man, you just found the winner and you can make a lot of money off of that channel. And you want to make friendship with these people, on these influencers. The thing is, you don't need to do your videos. You don't need subscribers and subs. You can just, you know, get in contact with these influencers, people on YouTube. And this strategy really works amazing. There we go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you unlike it, give it a thumbs down. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll see you on the next video. Cheers. Have a blessing day.